Alright folks, gonna make an attempt to use my GoPro Karma following mode. So also I'm using the selfie stick. It's an Insta 360 stick that I retrofitted onto the side of the bike. Just trying a different view to see how that's gonna work out. But yeah, this trusty controller is definitely going to come in handy. But just to try something a little different. Again, I'm always pushing things for the channel, so we shall see. So we'll be right back.
The revolution will be live.
Alright, hopefully this holds up. We'll see how it does in post-production. But yeah, I had to get the Velcro elastic stuff down here. But yeah, now I see carrying the drones not easy, especially since I got the GoPro Karma. Oh, looks like Amazon is dropping something off. But let's get it ready to rock and roll. Alright. My leg is still not 100%, and plus I'm trying to avoid the stick. Hopefully I don't, well, it's empty. Shouldn't have too much of an issue, so I'm gonna switch to the drone. I'm gonna get that set up and have it do the follow me on this street. So I know the max speed, I think it's 40 miles per hour. So we're just gonna see how it goes. I'm checking the wire height. Gonna see if I can get it low enough. But I'll get that situated and we'll see how we go. Alright, so I should have checked the battery levels. Not one. I had 3 batteries. 2 spares and the one that came with the GoPro Karma. And they seem to have just lost a charge while I wasn't using it. So it's been a while. Remember, I've been out of commission. So my back is kind of killing me too with the weight of this thing. So no excuse. I should have checked beforehand. Oh, I should have PMCS, PCCs, PCIs. So I'm gonna go home, charge it up, and then we're gonna try again. So we'll see if it's in this video or another, but hopefully the quick charger will let me do something close, because there's not many places I could fly the drone. So I just want to see what the follow me looks like and start integrating it into the channel. So we'll be back. So hopefully I can do this before I lose sunlight. So this will serve as part 1. We'll get the rest. Look like the stick actually went down a little bit, but for the most part, hopefully it was steady. Ah, damn it. That thing came off. All right, we'll be back.
Ready to fly. 3, 2, 1.
Hey, bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
epic fail. So I gotta find a spot that I can get a little higher and I don't have to worry about wires. So, man, why do they let us have drones? We can't fly them anywhere. So, it's what it is. Back home. Gotta regroup and we'll figure it out. So, make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.